Before we go, can I share something? Jesus wants to share. And this is the application of the healing power of the word of Jesus. I don't know, hindi ko alam kung na-share ko na sa inyo, but then let me repeat the story kasi it's about today's gospel. So my second apo, his name is Mario. Omar, we call him Omar. He was past 1, before 2. Wala pa siya talaga nasasabi na salita. And because he watches this video on Halloween. I don't know why his favorite is Halloween. The first word he said was, "Awoo!" So, yung sound ng wolf. So, what's happening to this boy? So, nasa conception pa lang, I already took possession of the gift of the divine will and planted it in his soul and in all his acts. So, I said, Lord, so I have to report, Lord, how come that Omar is in this condition? And the mother also noticed, kaya tinuturuan na niya ng sign language yung bata. And also, we're already thinking of getting professional help. Kasi nga, yung bata talagang he wanted to talk pero wala. Di ba mayroong voice doon sa iPad niya? He will just open his mouth, walang word. So, since the boy is always staying with me at night, pag late na umuwi yung mother, I pray for him, but not as intense as one Sunday, I was listening to a priest. He was talking about this word, ephata. And very, very clear, very, talagang ang galing ng dating ng pagkaka-explain niya. And for me, dumating yung word na yon, it's just light that entered my mind. And so, it's an inspiration na I have to help Omar in the divine will. So every time that I sleep with him, when the parents are not yet in, I fuse myself in the divine will and taking possession of the gift of the divine will and the word, the power of the word of Jesus, ephata. I touched his mind, his intellect, his memory, and will. And opening this up, I said, ephata, be opened and receive the gift of our Lord Jesus, his intellect, his memory, and will. And then, of course, I placed the sign of the cross. And then over his eyes, I do the same, his ears, his tongue, his heart, his hands, his feet, and always mentioning ephata. Believe it or not, siguro mga 2, of course, I finished the 9 days, naka 9 days ata ako nun. After that, yung bata, talagang biglang-bigla, everybody was surprised. Bigla siyang pumick up ng mga salita. And siguro 2.5 years old. Wow! Very he can speak fluently. And everybody was wondering kung paano nangyaring ganun. Sabi, siguro kung ano yung pinakain nyo dyan. Sabi nung isang lolo niya. But then, I told them that I prayed for him and I told about the power of the ephata. Pero syempre, they would not really receive it. So, fiat. But as far as Omar is concerned, he received the gift and I saw the power of the word ephata. I gave this testimony to our priest and he said, okay, thank you very much. And he read it to the whole congregation the following Sunday. So I share it also with you. Fiat. End of sharing.